Use a list of values to select rows from a Pandas data frame. Let's say I have the following Pandas data frame. I can subset based on a specific value. But how can I subset based on a list of values? Something like this. To get
You can use the ISIN method. And to get the opposite, use
You can use the method query. Or
you can store your values in a list as li equals 3,6. Then df1 equals df dot isin li.
List underscore of underscore values doesn't have to be a list, it can be set, tuple, dictionary, NumPy array, Pandas series, generator, range etc. and Ishin and query will still work. Some common problems with selecting rows. 1. List underscore of underscore values is a range. If you need to filter within a range, you can use between method or query. 2. Return df in the order of list underscore of underscore values. In the op, the values in list underscore of underscore values don't appear in that order in df. If you want df to return in the order they appear in list underscore of underscore values, i.e. sort by list underscore of underscore values, use lock. If you want to retain the old index, you can use the following. 3. Don't use apply. In general, Ishin and query are the best methods for this task, there's no need for apply. For example, for function f equals 2a, 5 on column A, both Ishin and query work much more efficiently. 4. Select rows not in list underscore of underscore values. To select rows not in list underscore of underscore values, negate Ishin/n. 5. Select rows where multiple columns are in list underscore of underscore values. If you want to filter using both, or multiple, columns, there's any and all to reduce columns, axis equals 1, depending on the need. Select rows where at least one of A or B is in list underscore of underscore values. Select rows where both of A and B are in list underscore of underscore values. Bonus: you can also call Ishin inside query.